Hello, I'm doing a review on the GenTent Extreme and the dual fuel XP10000HX DuroMax generator. We have a hurricane coming, Hurricane Beryl, and I'm going to set this up, and this is going to be a true test of the GenTent. I ran it before in another power outage that I had when my house had a neighbor's tree came down and tore the mast out of my house and tore my roof up, and I was out of power for a week and a half. But I ran with the GenTent in the normal rain, but not in high winds that we should be having. It's supposed to hit us as a Category 1, which isn't too bad, but I still, if I have to run this thing, it's going to be a problem. If you see how it's set up, there's 4 brackets, one on each corner of the generator that comes with the kit, and there is 4 rods that are here and 1 bracket. The rods just pull in and out. Very, very simple to set up. Very, very simple. And now I'm going to put on the canopy and show you how that's set up. Okay, gonna put on the canopy. Tent goes on very, very simply. It just pops over time. Each corner has a strap. Very simple. Only takes minutes to set up. And there's a front guard that goes on that covers the panel. This is an access cover, so you get in at the fuel, put fuel in. This cover has a Velcro strip that hooks up with this, so if you're not running this cover, you just put that down. Now this Velcro strip and this, you center it up. Put it across, lower your other hood. Line up the Velcros on the sides. And I do another thing. I add a few clips to strengthen this. I add a few more clips just to make sure. I have these clips here made for paper, but they're nice and strong. Hopefully they'll work. I'm taking each side around the rod up top here and down here. This corner up here and down here. And hopefully that'll help hold it on in high winds. And I guess we'll see. The storm's coming up. I'm gonna do some filming, do the best I can. And hopefully I don't have to use this generator, but if I do, I'm all set to go. I'm going to be setting it up outside, have it hooked up, everything ready to go. So all I have to do is start it when the weather's bad, minimizing my time that I spend outside. So I will be back with you with the review with the storm or without the storm. If we do have the storm, I'll have more to show you coming soon. wish I could have got some better footage during the hurricane. Well, it is what it is. The weather was very, very bad, and it came in at night. So the only chance that I had was later in the day when the rain let up and some of the wind. The damage in the area is just absolutely horrible. Roads are closed. I don't think that there's many people in this whole county with power. We are lucky ones. 5 days we ran, and we just got our power back, so that's a good thing. This GenTent was amazing. The wind that it made it through, the picture, the video I have doesn't do it justice. The wind that came through, it's surprising that it held on. I know I put these clips here, but it's amazing that this held up in those winds. It's absolutely amazing. We run on propane, and it's a good thing. We have a 250-gallon tank. My friends are having trouble getting gas. A lot of gas stations are closed because there's no power, or they're completely out of gas. They're selling out. So it's been days now. If you have any questions on this generator or this GenTent Extreme, and that, once again, that's the XP10000HX DuroMax and the GenTent Extreme. I also have a video that I'm doing on hooking up to a 250-gallon tank